As a girl, they said it would be easy. All I have to do is dance around looking pretty, be seen, not heard. Put on your tights, twirl around all night. Now take them down, don't put up a fight. Smile through the tears, secrets for years. If you ask questions, the dungeon is near. As a girl, they didn't tell me I was a meat and you were my ice cream. I didn't know I wanted to grow, to see the world, to understand. They said it was love, I didn't know. It hurt so bad, I didn't grow. How old do you have to be heard? When does the lie become truth? When will I matter? When will they see no makeup will cover these scars on me? As a girl, I thought they had all the power. Shiny faces, demons scowl in the ivory tower. Something inside me told me it's wrong. Nowhere to go, just stay strong. Run anyway and just see what comes. 'Cause nothing can be worse than this. I'm not your slave, I'm not your property. I didn't know I could stick up for me. And I don't mind your bruises fade away. What will remain is what I